As many of you may or may not be aware, there is a growing epidemic in the world today. It is an issue that I hold very close to my heart. And I feel that we as a community can solve these problems together. People are paying too much money for airsoft guns. It's out of control. And we feel here at Airsoft GI, we have a solution to help everybody. With the Got20 in My Pocket coupon, you'll be saving 20% on all orders you make. This 20% is going to go right back to you guys. Save the money. Help stop an epidemic. Maybe, as a community, we can put an end to this once and for all.